What's up, traders? Matt from the Trade Brigade here doing a technical analysis on ticker symbol AMC for AMC Entertainment. On the left-hand side, we're looking at the daily time frame, and on the right-hand side, we have the 30-minute intraday time frame. This, of course, will be more of an update. We follow this one semi-regularly, and I think there's some notable things to talk about here. So, from the daily perspective, we did put in a hammer candle here off of a known area of support. So that, to me, strikes me as bullish, being resilient from the buyers. The other thing is the fact that we've been pressing into this resistance trend line now 2 times back to back. And on the second time, we actually pierced it and then fell back down. So we are testing the limits of the sellers and whether or not they will essentially fold here at the resistance trend line. And with the resiliency as shown by the higher lows, I do think it's likely that we see upside continuation on the break of a couple of technical levels. So what I want to do is clean up this chart a little bit with you. First thing that will unlock this move higher is acceptance up above 44.85. So that might look like something like this, opening sideways tomorrow morning, break up above. First step is complete, clearing 44.85. From there, we would look for a move up into some of these wicks from the most recent highs, right? And that's just underneath 48. I'd call it 47.82. And again, if we do this, first step unlocked, that would be fine. If we move into 48, you're looking for a pullback to then form a higher low, but this time above the resistance trend line. So from the daily perspective, what that might look like would be here, pullback, form the higher low above the resistance trend line here. So we'll put HL for higher low there, and then the break of 48 to take us into the next major daily target at 52. So that's how I potentially see this unfolding. Of course, it could all happen in one day. This could just be quote unquote a rocket ship out of the gates here, taking us into that 52 all in one go. But ideally, from a structural perspective, something like what I've just outlined does unfold. So that's the bull case here. Obviously, if we start taking out some of these lows in here, 43.67, you have to consider that we would come down into, just above 42. In that case, probably not looking to trade this short just based on the nature of this bullish move here. I don't really see the short yet until we fail really back down underneath 40. So those are my thoughts on AMC. I do see some bullish developments here, especially with the bullish hammer candle from today's session. So if you enjoyed the update, if you enjoyed today's video and the potential trade plan here, let me know in the comments section or by giving the video a thumbs up. Don't forget our main channel is linked in the description, and all of that being said, I wish you a green trading week.